Ipieca is helping its members with challenges and opportunities by the generation of guidance tools and information regarding how best to manage their impacts on nature. At the same time, Ipieca does a really important job of working within the Convention on Biological Diversity's Conference of the Parties and sharing information both with that community, generally government and others, but also sharing information and bringing together consensus approaches and positions to the energy sector itself. So I'm here today as part of Ipieca Week, in which Ipieca has convened many of its members and other important external stakeholders to talk about some of the challenges that the sector is facing and ways that Ipieca can help enhance the levels of trust and engagement on those issues. And so for IUCN, this is an important venue for us to reach out to a broader audience and have a greater level of impact than we otherwise would speaking individually with single companies.